Imagine this: you're floating in space, staring at a black hole, one of those cosmic monsters that literally bends reality. And for some reason, let's blame poor life choices or a lost bet, you decide to fall in. But here's the twist: instead of being crushed into spaghetti, what if this black hole was a secret passage to another universe? Yeah, that escalated quickly. Alright, first things first. Black holes are complicated. On the outside, they look like bottomless drains in space, sucking up everything nearby. Cross the invisible edge, called the event horizon, and you're not coming back. At least, according to every astronaut's safety manual ever. The gravity there is so extreme, it warps time and space. To you, the fall feels normal. To someone watching from a distance, you'd appear frozen in place, slowly fading out. Kind of like the world's worst live stream buffer. But what if this black hole was different? What if, instead of turning you into cosmic spaghetti, it was secretly a tunnel, a so-called wormhole, leading to an entirely new universe? So, let's go step by step in your doomed, yet oddly exciting journey. Step 1. Crossing the event horizon. Normally, this is a one-way ticket. Gravity gets so strong that even light can't escape. Congratulations, you've officially checked into the most dangerous hotel in the cosmos. No refunds. Step 2. Tidal forces. The black hole's gravity stretches objects as they fall in, a gruesome process scientists nicknamed spaghettification. Your head and feet want to fall at slightly different speeds. Suddenly you're less person and more galactic noodle. But hey, in our scenario, this special black hole is nicer. Let's say it has some kind of wormhole core, so instead of being stretched into oblivion, your atoms stay intact. Lucky you! Step 3. The wormhole ride. If this really worked, imagine the weirdest roller coaster ever built. Space and time themselves are twisting and bending. You can't tell up from down. Colors around you might melt into each other. At this point you're either screaming in terror or saying, "This is better than IMAX." Step 4. The exit. Eventually, you reach the other side. And bam, you're dumped out into a whole new universe. What would you see? Well, that depends. Maybe you emerge into a place with different physical laws. Maybe light travels at a new speed. Maybe stars burn green instead of white. Gravity might feel stronger or weaker. For all we know, the new universe laughs in the face of our so-called rules of physics. Imagine trying to explain photosynthesis when plants glow in the dark and water flows uphill. Here's the wildest part: in principle, black holes could already be doorways like this. Some scientists have even speculated that our own universe was born from the inside of one. Which means that falling into a black hole might not just lead to a universe, it could lead to our own universe's birth. In other words, your brave leap makes you less astronaut and more midwife to reality itself. Not bad for a Saturday. Of course, this is all highly speculative. As in, don't pack your wormhole travel bag yet. Physics today mostly says, if you fall in, you get destroyed. But imagining the alternative, that black holes are cosmic doorways, gives a delicious shiver to the human brain. Because suddenly, black holes aren't just the universe's garbage disposals, they're bridges. Maybe even invitations. So, what happens if you fall into a black hole that leads to another universe? You survive spaghettification, ride a cosmic funhouse tunnel, and land in a reality where the rules may be totally different. You might find alien stars, impossible physics, or, well, nothing at all. The more we learn about black holes, the more they act like cosmic riddles, hiding answers about where we came from and where we could possibly go next. If this ride through a black hole gave you goosebumps, or just made you deeply suspicious of cosmic pasta metaphors, hit that like button. Drop your wildest guess about what a new universe might look like in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more science-packed thought experiments, because in this universe, we're sticking around to explore every what if we can imagine.